Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Xiaomi Smart Band to your phone. First, make sure your band is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup. Next, download the official MyFitness app from your phone's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep your Smart Band 7 close by, within a few feet, for optimal connection. Now open the MyFitness app on your phone. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account or simply log in if you already have one. Once inside the app, look for the Add Device or a plus icon, usually found on the home screen. Tap this, and the app will start searching for nearby devices. Select Xiaomi Smart Band 7 from the list that appears to initiate the pairing. After selecting your band in the app, a pairing request will appear on your Smart Band 7 screen. You'll need to tap to confirm this request directly on the band. Simultaneously, your phone will prompt you to grant various permissions to the MyFitness app. These are crucial for features like notifications and activity tracking. Please allow access to location, notifications, and other requested features for full functionality. Congratulations, your Xiaomi Smart Band 7 is now connected. With the pairing complete, dive into the MyFitness app to personalize your experience. You can choose from hundreds of watch faces, set daily activity goals, and manage notification preferences. Explore all the amazing features, from sleep tracking to heart rate monitoring, and make the most of your new smart band. Enjoy your connected journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.